There's been a showdown in the Delhi Assembly and this continues. This is after yesterday as BJP legislators spoke on the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Aam Aadmi Party MLAs pressed for a debate on Delhi's worsening pollution crisis. That clash triggered sharp confrontation between the Treasury benches and the opposition. Today, the protests have escalated. BJP MLAs staged demonstrations inside the House, sitting on the floor and holding placards demanding an apology from Aam Aadmi Party leader Atashi. With BJP adamant on its demand, the Assembly once again witnessed repeated disruptions and heated exchanges.
तो मुझे बड़ा खेद है, मैं बहुत दुखी हूं जो कल विधानसभा में हुआ। मुझे इस बात का ज्यादा दुख है, आम आदमी पार्टी गुरु तेग बहादुर जी की महान शहादत पे उनको श्रद्धा सत्कार भेंट करना चाहे ना चाहे उनके मन के ऊपर है, ये भाव उनके अपने हैं। लेकिन जब ऐसे पूरी विधानसभा के अंदर सरकार से लेके मुख्यमंत्री जी से लेके मंत्री से लेके सभी सत्ता पक्ष के एमएलए गुरु तेग बहादुर जी पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं, उनको उनकी धार्मिक यात्रा की जानकारी दे रहे हैं और अपनी श्रद्धा उनके प्रति भाव अर्पित कर रहे हैं, ऐसे में जो बहुत ही दुखदाई अल्फाज कहे गए, जिन मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं कि वो अल्फाज आज को विधानसभा में हमने अध्यक्ष जी से कल आग्रह किया था वो सुनाएंगे तो आप लोग जरूर देखें।
गुरु साहब गुरु तेग बहादुर जी की 350वीं जयंती जब पूरा देश मना रहा है, पूरे दिल्ली मना रहे, दिल्ली सरकार मना रही है, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री मना रहे हैं, उसके बारे में जो चर्चा कर रहे थे, उनके बच्चों की जो शहादत हुई थी, जो हिंदू धर्म की रक्षा के लिए उन्होंने जो अपने प्राण आहुति करी, उसके बारे में हम चर्चा कर रहे थे। तो इसी बीच आतिशी जी खड़े हो गए, उन्होंने विरोध करना चालू कर दिया। मुझे समझ में नहीं आती कि आतिशी जी को क्या परेशानी है।
Ishika now joins me live on that developing story. Ishika, tell us what's still happening inside the Delhi Assembly. Also, what is the Aam Aadmi Party's defense to this demand for an apology by the BJP?
Well, Vedika, just a while back we saw complete ruckus on the floor of the House because today the BJP MLAs, they were demanding the apology of the leader of the opposition, that is Atashi. And in fact, while all of this was happening, Atashi was not present inside the House. And that is why all of these BJP MLAs, they went in the well to protest. They had brought the placards where it was clearly written that they want a public apology from Atashi. Now, let me tell you that if you look at the entire controversy that has erupted yesterday, the Delhi ministers and the BJP MLAs have alleged that the leader of the opposition, Atashi, did not speak one word when a special discussion was kept regarding the sacrifices of Guru Tegh Bahadur, and then she went on to disrespect him by saying that what is this, Guruon ka samman, we should focus on the pollution debate. Now the ministers here in the Delhi government, they go on to say that the pollution debate was already scheduled for today. Then why create drama and then go on to disrespect the Sikh Guru? Okay. So this is what the allegation was, and now let me tell you the current status. The House is resumed and the Speaker has given 1 hour to the leader of the opposition, Atashi, to come inside and clear her stand.
All right, so Atashi to clear her stand, she's been given an hour and the Assembly has resumed. And we will get you more on what happens within the next 1 hour inside the Delhi Assembly. Ishika, thanks for joining me live.